When I think about the main reason I decided to move forward with Jay Glenn, we had spent 6 months before I found Jay trying to recruit and staff a team.
Cellebrite ultimately decided to work with Jay because of the interest in sort of accelerating the program as quickly as possible.
And that we built a system that allowed them to be as effective as possible, as quickly as possible.
We needed somebody that had a library of assets that could be customized to meet our needs, but wouldn't take a very long time to set up.
Not just build out the concept for that system, but then the governance, documentation, and the practices that underpinned the onboarding and setup for SDR team.
Had a solid 90-day framework, was able to evaluate our marketing and sales technology to help us understand what gaps existed within that tech stack.
Jay helped us to accelerate our ability to be productive. Within 60 days, we were all hitting all of our major targets, and we saw a lot of success right out of the gate by using Jay's services to help us get up to speed as quickly as possible.
We were also worried about onboarding the new SDR team lead at the exact same time that we would be onboarding the new SDRs. And so we needed somebody that was capable of separating those two and effectively managing it to make sure that both were set up for success.
I was getting hired for Cellebrite as the team lead for the SDR program, and I was told about this resource that I would have to help us get up and running. And I was really impressed by the amount of knowledge that he was able to capture across the business, whether it had to do with product, our intended customer profile, and most importantly, how he had already sort of formulated this incredibly thorough training program.
There were a few things that really made Jay Glenn's agency stand out from the other options I evaluated. First was just how professional and thorough Jay was in his approach to really qualify our needs and then propose a solution that really was customized to our situation.
What I can tell you that really helped him to stand out from my perspective was just an incredible attention to detail, the dedication to being available at ridiculous hours across the entire program.
Top line professionalism from the get-go, the clear, concise, succinct direction.
We had a global team that needed to incorporate people from Singapore, Europe, and the United States to do this training. He was unbelievably flexible, organized, prepared, and just did a phenomenal job of helping to lead those sessions to make them engaging and not robotic.
And truly jumping in to be a partner from day one.
How does the product work? How are the customers perceiving it? Is it a strong fit in the industry? He's going to look at it from every angle, and again, equip your team to handle any variety of conversations and help them to push your product and to get high quality leads in front of your sales team. Plus anything else that he's expanded his offering to doing, I would have nothing but high confidence in the quality and thoroughness of his efforts.
Any business that's looking to either onboard or upgrade their SDR function could benefit from partnering with Jay.
Having worked at other programs, just being aware of sort of the onboarding and training resources that are given to this role, this was, miles ahead of what is probably the industry standard for this space.
Truly, I have never met a more professional, well-prepared, intentional consultant or advisor.
It really would be, wise to equip your team with the experience and the knowledge that Jay Glenn Agency can offer.
At the end of the day, you can depend on him. He does deliver.
He's a true partner in every sense of the word.
Jay's agency always delivered on time as expected, but oftentimes over-delivered and did so earlier than expected. Quick impact, super versatile, extremely professional.
And on top of that, it allows you to get from starting to being impactful far faster than you might be able to do on your own.
When I think about all the decisions I've made as CMO of Cellebrite over the last year and a half, hiring Jay was the single smartest decision that I have made.